Sorry guys, I couldn't do the live because it kicked me out for some reason. But I'll just do a normal video. 7 minutes left until Artemis 2 launch.
Let's see the arm moving away. It's getting ready now.
It's getting ready to launch.
That's the path that the astronauts took to ingress into the rocket.
Hope you enjoy.
Until this point, that was their way off the pad if they needed to evacuate. But now with that arm retracting,
Artemis 2.
Transitions to a launch abort system.
Rocket. They're sending 4 people to the moon for the first time in more than 50 years.
I thought we were going past.
It's history. Well, they're not landing on the moon.
Of course, the launch abort system. The moon. Great shot there of the crew access arm retracting away.
Yeah, they're going past it and like around it.
The launch abort system.
They're not landing this time, but at the next mission they're going to be landing.
And its crew off the top of the rocket in case of an emergency.
I'm not sure how
on the ground or in flight.
They're actually going like far away from the moon.
The lives.
Well, they're going past it and then
yeah, past and then coming back.
This is like history in the making, you guys. You guys are
starting at T-minus 6 minutes.
Remember it and talk
the
about
GLS will start bringing that and other high energy systems online, starting with core stage pressurization.
It's history in the making. This is the kind of stuff I remember from my childhood. Grace, come lay down. Come lay down. Come here.
Tell me when it's like not 5 minutes. I'm watching that for 5 minutes.
Weather is 90% go. The range is go. All systems are go.
GLS is go for core stage tank pressurization.
That means the replenish valve for the liquid hydrogen tank has now closed, and that tank is beginning to pressurize to flight levels because that hydrogen is naturally boiling inside the tank.
Ooh, they're explaining how it all works.
We'll get the liquid oxygen tank a little later in the count. Now the team is waiting for verification that, if needed, the Artemis 2 crew could use the launch abort system to pull Orion safely off the top of the rocket in an emergency.
You should show me on the video.
Let's listen in for that call.
Supervised adult.
GLS verifies last capability available.
Are you sure?
And CDR, do you copy?
CDR copies, last available.
That's great news, and you heard the NTD verify that with the commander of the mission.
GLS is go for FTS arm.
4
now
minutes.
Done to arm the flight termination system.
Well, almost 5
this
minutes.
is so the range safety
well,
can send
basically
a
5
flight termination command if the rocket
so
flies too far off track.
Stuff like around it.
There's a brief built-in delay,
away.
so the launch abort system has time to pull the astronauts to safety first.
And do you see those 2 white tubes on the sides of the orange part?
Right, the high flow check.
Those are full of rocket fuel.
And so the cryo team gets verification that the RS-25 engines, all 4 of them, are in the proper temperature range for launch.
Who's excited?
All the fuel inside. I'm excited. I am. I love space launches. They're very exciting.
I just love space in general.
Yeah, it's exciting. It's the final frontier.
How big that thing is.
Go for core stage APU start.
Core stage APUs start. Those are auxiliary power units. High-speed turbines, which provide pressure to hydraulic pumps that steer the RS-25 engines. We're going to see a gimbal test a little later at T-minus 2 minutes and 30 seconds. This is what allows that to happen. Coming up in about 20 seconds.
See those things attached to it? Those are going to let go when it launches.
It's a helium purge of the 4 core stage engines downstream of the propellant valve. This gets all the air and moisture out of there.
A lot of what this is, being able to launch this, a lot that goes into it, and like 90% of it's math. That's how they
Moving
figure
through
out
the
how much
milestones.
fuel they need, how much weight
All
there
is looking good.
There's so much. It's so complicated. Like, literally the brightest
Coming up
minds in the
in just a
world
few seconds, we're going to get that thrust vector
work
control
on this to
actuator
make this
test.
happen.
This is a gimbling of the engines.
I think I know.
Oh, do you? Really? Cool.
There are the 4 RS-25s.
Look at that.
3 of them. Shuttle Heritage.
It's almost
one of them
ready.
built from shuttle parts. And there you see them moving.
Ooh, that's cool.
Now we're going to start moving the power from both the upper stage and the lower stage of the rocket to internal. Taking ground power away and now going to battery power.
GLS is go for upper stage to internal power.
Our power is removed from the rocket's upper stage. The ICPS, and it's been switched to battery. Same milestone for the lower core stage coming up at T-minus 1 minute and 30 seconds. Right now, the 4-person Artemis 2 crew is 248,000 miles away from the moon. And if all goes well, they will fly by it in 6 days.
GLS is go for core stage to internal power.
All right, there's the rocket's core stage, which houses 3 flight computers, is now on its own power. There's no more hold time because there's no more margin on these batteries. So we would have to recycle back to T-minus 10 to recharge if we had a hold.
One minute.
Right now, the rocket does not know what the T0 is, but coming up at T-minus 33 seconds, control shifts from the ground launch sequencer to
less
the
than a
rocket's
minute.
onboard autonomous launch
40
sequencer.
seconds.
The rocket will count itself down, but honor any holds that could come from the ground. Now, shortly after
You got like
liftoff,
30
Houston will
seconds,
take
Ange.
control of the
If you
rocket,
want
and my
to.
colleague Gary Jordan will take over commentary.
GLS go
Who's
for
ready?
Great
Oh, wait,
power.
I'm not live.
The rocket is on its own. 4 brave
ready.
explorers ready to ride the most powerful rocket
Okay, cool.
NASA has ever launched.
The dog is excited.
Sound suppression water is flowing. And here we go. 10, 9, 8,
8, 7, 6,
25 engines.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh my God.
1.
Booster ignition.
Imagine
And
being
liftoff.
inside of that right now.
The crew of Artemis 2.
Oh my God, look at that
bound for
go.
the moon.
Whoa! Yeah!
Begins.
Oh my God, why does the camera keep going up? Wow, look at all that. Oh my God, that's so cool.
Good roll pitch. Roger, roll pitch.
That is so cool.
Yay! Oh my god, it looks like a game right now.
The Artemis 2 mission around the moon.
Integrity, AMT high. AMT high.
On time passing 30 seconds.
This scares me a little bit.
I know, I'm scared a little bit too.
Target
No,
milestone.
not in like an excited way. Like something's gonna happen.
No, I know. That's what I mean. Like, it's scary. It's so
3
dangerous.
miles in altitude.
Those 4 astronauts are so brave.
Traveling more than 1,200 miles per hour.
1,200 miles per hour. Wow.
Whee!
Mission last time, passing 1 minute, approaching max Q.
On, possibly on.
See how it's kind of moving in sort of a lateral position now? That's how it enters the atmosphere. So it kind of goes like it follows the curve of the Earth as it comes
Communication
out
signal
into the
transport
atmosphere.
confirmed as Integrity and its crew go supersonic. Approaching 90 seconds into the Artemis 2 mission. Integrity is
Boy,
14
my
miles
fear is
altitude,
like
8
the
miles
engine
downrange,
brake
traveling more
give
than 2,600 miles per hour.
There is an ejection thing. Something happens, there's an ejection, but I don't think they're gonna need that.
One minute seconds of mission elapsed time. Standing by for main engine throttle down to 85%. Ahead of solid rocket booster separation expected at the 2-minute 9-second mark.
So they're talking about the booster
You see
separation.
throttle down?
The white things that were on the side are gonna break away.
Converge separation. Main engine's throttling up.
See?
Guidance converged.
See, they came off now.
They're gonna come crashing down.
They go down into the ocean, the debris, and then they go pick it up. They don't.
Integrity. Guidance converged. Performance nominal. Upper stage RCS ready.
Who's that?
Copy off, Stan.
Do they drop them as soon as they're at the ocean?
SM priming complete.
Do they drop it as soon as they're at the ocean?
They're over the ocean right
2
now.
minutes 45 seconds of mission
And once
elapsed time.
they're gonna
between
fall
Artemis
to the
2
air and
mission.
land in the
Thrusters
water.
of integrity
Wow.
and
I
upper
mean,
stage
like,
converged at
whenever
ready state
somebody
and
launches.
service module fairing separation.
I guess I don't understand your question.
Do
3
they
minutes into flight. Integrity 49
drop
altitude 78
as
miles
soon as
downrange.
any
Now
ship
passing
is over
5,000
the
miles per
ocean?
hour.
Do they drop? Like at any?
Any ship?
Yes.
Finally.
So a bunch of the pieces are coming off. So now it's just gonna
Standing by
be
for launch force
the
system
command
jettison.
module where the people are now.
Houston integrity. Good last jettison. Great view. Copy jettison. Team Eco 8+02. We see you sail on board, Stan. And Houston has you loud and clear on Tigris at the common line. Outstanding, Stan. We have the same.
3 minutes 50 seconds into the flight of Artemis 2, Wiseman, Glover, Cook, and Hansen cross the boundary to space with good comm checks. GPS signals acquired after last jettison now working on internal checks to verify accuracy. Flight Dynamics Officer analyzed the time of main engine cutoff, confirmed at 8 minutes 2 seconds, time of MECO.
I think that's an infrared, maybe. An infrared shot. I think. Oh, I'm so glad they're in the atmosphere now. I'm so glad that went well. Look how tiny they are now. I mean, going 1,200 miles an hour. Yeah, oh yeah, see, that's them moving.